I absolutely would choose the system again. I mean, it just, for ease of fitting, for the comfort, for the aesthetic, for the cost. I felt incredibly supported through the process. Dealing with Herschel was just a pleasure from start to finish.
We were really impressed with the mirror and the picture options. We thought it would be a really great showpiece and partypiece to our renovation.
We did get a quote to put air source heating in here. The cost of the infrared was less than 25% of that. It's controllable, you feel more alive in it, and, well, it's a fraction of the cost.